In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change a video background in Canva using Magic Studio. If you want to replace a messy room, add a professional studio look, or completely transform your background with just a few clicks, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Canva has made this incredibly simple with their Magic Studio tools, and once you learn it, you'll be able to upgrade your videos in minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. From the home page, click on Create a Design and choose Video. You can select a blank video project or use a template if you prefer. Once your video project opens in the editor, the next step is to upload your video file. Go to the Uploads panel on the left-hand side, click Upload Files, and select the video you want to edit from your computer. After the upload finishes, drag your video onto the canvas so it appears in your timeline and workspace. Make sure it's properly positioned and trimmed if needed before moving on to background removal. Now that your video is on the canvas, click directly on the video clip to select it. This is very important because the editing tools at the top will only appear when the video itself is selected. Once selected, you'll see the top toolbar change to show video editing options. If you don't see the options, double-check that you've clicked on the video and not on the background or another element. With the video selected, go to the top toolbar and look for Magic Studio. Click on Magic Studio to reveal the AI-powered tools available for your video. From the drop-down options, choose Background Remover. Canva will now automatically begin processing your video. Give it a few moments as the system analyzes each frame to detect and remove the background. This may take a little longer depending on the length and quality of your video. Once the background has been removed, you'll see your subject isolated with a transparent background behind them. Now comes the fun part, adding your new background. You can go to the Elements tab to choose a solid color, gradient, photo, or even another video to place behind your subject. Simply drag your chosen background onto the canvas, then right-click and select Send to Back so it appears behind your cutout video. Resize and adjust as needed to make everything look natural and aligned. If necessary, you can fine-tune the result by adjusting position, scaling your subject, or adding effects like shadows to create more depth. Take a moment to preview your video by pressing play in the timeline to ensure everything looks smooth and professional. And that's it. That's how you change a video background in Canva using Magic Studio. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and incredibly powerful for creating high-quality content without advanced editing software. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.